Hey guys, R4GE here, and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the size of headers in Word 2019. So if I open Word up, and then I will just double click on the top to view the top header. So at the minute you can see that is the current size, so to adjust the size of the header, all we need to do is come to the Layout tab, and then come over to Margins. So if we click on Margins, and then come down to Custom Margins, then under Margins here you have your top, and you have your bottom. So if you adjust the size of the top margin, then that will adjust the size of the top header, and if you adjust the size of the bottom margin, then that will adjust the size of the bottom footer. So for example, if I increase the top margin to say 4 centimeters, and then I click OK to apply it, as you can see the header has now got larger. So if we now double click off it, the text now starts further down, and if we come back to layout again, and we come back to margins and custom again, and then if I come and reduce the value back down to close to its original value, and then I click OK, as you can see, that makes it smaller again. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. So if you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.